Dogecoin value equivalent to 3.635 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.349. The earlier day close, 30469. The change was plus 2166, plus 711%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 404 rands. Exorbitant cost 456, while low cost 396. They found the middle value of cost 421. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 426, change for July 5.4%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 426 rands. Exorbitant cost 529, while low cost 426. They found the middle value of cost 469. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 494, change for August 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 494 rands. Exorbitant cost 572, while low cost 494. They found the middle value of cost 524. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 535, change for September 83%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 535 rands. Exorbitant cost 559, while low cost 485. They found the middle value of cost 525. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 522, change for October 24%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 522 rands. Exorbitant cost 522, while low cost 421. They found the middle value of cost 480. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 453, change for November 13.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 453 rands. Excessive cost 539, while low cost 453. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 487. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 504, change for December 11.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 504 rands. Excessive cost 504, while low cost 414. They found the middle value of cost 467. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 445, change for January 11.7%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 445 rands. Exorbitant cost 463, while low cost 403. They found the middle value of cost 436. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 433, change for February 27%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else, cost at 433 rands. Excessive cost 491, while low cost 427. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 453. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 459, change for spring 6%. Dogecoin conjecture for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 459 rands. Excessive cost 459, while low cost 396. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 435. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 426, change for April 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 416 rands. Excessive cost 426, while low cost 355. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 397. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 382, change for May 10.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 382 rands. Excessive cost 474, while low cost 382. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 420. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 443, change for June 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 443 rands. Exorbitant cost 482, while low cost 419. They found the middle value of cost 449. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 450, change for July 16%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 450 rands. Exorbitant cost 489, while low cost 425. They found the middle value of cost 455. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 457, change for August 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else, cost at 457 rands. Excessive cost 567, while low cost 457. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 503. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 530, change for September 16%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 530 rands. Exorbitant cost 605, while low cost 525. They found the middle value of cost 556. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 565, change for October 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 565 rands. Excessive cost 565, while low cost 488. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 536. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 525, change for November 1%. Dogecoin figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 525 rands. Excessive cost 587, while low cost 511. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 543. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 549, change for December 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 549 rands. Excessive cost 597, while low cost 519. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 556. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 558, change for January 6%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at 558 rands. Exorbitant cost 607, while low cost 527. They found the middle value of cost 565. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 567, change for February 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 567 rands. Exorbitant cost 606, while low cost 526. They found the middle value of cost 566. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 566, change for springs on 2%. Dogecoin estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 566 rands. Exorbitant cost 594, while low cost 516. They found the middle value of cost 558. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 555, change for April 9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 555 rands. Exorbitant cost 562, while low cost 488. They found the middle value of cost 533. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 525, change for May 4%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 525 rands. Exorbitant cost 570, while low cost 496. They found the middle value of cost 531. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 533, change for June 5%.